The big news is here. Samsung has officially confirmed that the S24, S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra will be unveiled at its first Unpacked 2024 event on January 17th. The date had previously been rumored and the company has now confirmed that it's indeed when the next flagship lineup will be revealed. This is the first Unpacked event coming from Samsung in 2024. Expect much of the focus to be on Galaxy AI using the event. These are the suite of AI features that Samsung will be introducing with the Galaxy S24 series. Artificial intelligence is a major area of focus for the new flagship with the Exynos 2400 and Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, both boosting significant AI capabilities. Other news is that if you are looking to upgrade to the S24 series, then you can pre-reserve the device and get a $50 credit from Samsung. These pre-reservations are completely free and you don't have to pay anything today. You just need to enter your name and email address, and if you decide to pre-order or purchase the device, you can get $50 credit on Samsung store, just like the last year pre-reservation of Galaxy foldable devices. Anyhow, Samsung can't seem to get hold of the S24 series leak. The next generation of smartphone has been leaked yet again, and this time the official marketing material has been leaked. Several retail stores in Brazil seem to have started displaying the Galaxy S24 Ultra through a poster. One such store instead was captured and posted on X, and it is clearly showcased the design, camera, S Pen, and the term Galaxy AI. In the images, you can see the Galaxy S24 Ultra in a titanium gray version, and you can also see the phone quad camera setup. Accompanied by its laser autofocus unit, you can also see the color-matched S Pen stylus. There seems to be two microphones on the top of the phone. Since there is an antenna line on the top part of the phone frame, it appears that the phone is using a metal frame, and several leaks point out titanium frame for added strength. The poster also mentioned Galaxy AI, which is a suite of AI and generative AI powered feature that will be available on the Galaxy S24 series. One interesting thing to note in the statement below the image of the phone says a Samsung account login may be required to access certain AI feature. S Pen is compatible with S24 Ultra but not with the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. Now, we know that Samsung will be launching the S24 series with the latest Android 14, which will be coming with One UI 6.1 pre-installed. All three phones will have several AI-powered features, including live language translate during voice calls, generative AI-powered wallpaper generator, and weather effects for the lock screen wallpaper. Note summarization in Samsung Notes, voice tagging and translation of up to 10 people from voice recording, and generative AI fill in the images. So exactly 2 weeks are remaining for the official announcement of the upcoming S24 series. Particularly the S24 Ultra will be a big upgrade in terms of generative AI, and also I am looking curious to see how the camera is going to be performing because a new 50 megapixel telephoto lens has been rumored to be coming in the S24 Ultra. So definitely I'm really excited about the upcoming S24 series. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about that? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.